Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. So welcome to my vlog today. And it's been a long time, it's been a while since I vlogged. I've been sharing recipes. I hope you've tried them, and if you tried them, please consider giving me your feedback. So I'm just having my breakfast. I am having a pancake. I'd already started eating, so I already ate one pancake and a banana and tea. So yeah, that's it. So in today's vlog, I will be cooking. And it's days in my life, so it's a vlog of 2 days. I hope you enjoy the vlog. And my hair is looking, it needs for me to do something. So I'll also be undoing my hair and wash it. And yeah. Tomorrow is when I'll be going to the salon, so spend the days with me. Welcome. Please hit the notification button if you've not yet One of the things that I've had to teach myself is taking care of my hair. If you're someone that has 4C hair, you know, the hair that is so, it has a lot of volume. And so when mishandled, it causes a lot of pain. If somebody is in a hurry or something. So one thing that I've learned about to lessen the work is taking care of my hair by undoing, by washing it, by deep conditioning it, and just drying it, so that I can give the salonist easier time. And because it's my hair, I have to know how to do it well, and I will hardly make my scalp to be painful. So I trust myself on this. So at this point, I was almost done with it, and it gave me so much hope. Sometimes doing your hair can be hectic, but you are the only person that has the patience for yourself. Combing the hair before it touches any water is part of self-care. Having this type of hair means that it will sound like it's really, really tough, but that's part of the detangling process. And so I combed the hair carefully, making sure there are no strands of hair that have been left uncombed as I prepared it for washing. In a few minutes nikamaliza, so nikaanza process ya kupika lunch. So for lunch I was having githeri, a simple meal. I have shared a recipe before, though this time I'll be doing something different, but I have shared a recipe of githeri before. So make lunch with me. Lunch was ready years ago. Karibuni for lunch. Let's dive in. So I'm waiting for the car to pick me so that I can go to town, and I'm so late today. Anytime it's my gym day, I like going there by 2-3 because it's the weekend. So I spend a few hours, like 2 hours, and then now I can leave. But today I made it so late. So my ride was here. You can see it's a tuk-tuk. It will take me to town. And as I headed to the gym, I kept telling myself that next time in my next life, we are starting earlier. And so I start with warming up as I go to other gym routines like doing squats and the rest of the things that I don't know the name yet for now. I also participated in the aerobics on this particular day. And who knew that I got moves? I got moves for days. Hello guys, hello beautiful people. So yesterday was such a great day for me. And today is another beautiful day that we've woken up, and I thank God for it. So yesterday I left the gym at around 7. I managed to do my normal routine, normal workouts, and join even the aerobics dance. And that for me was really a plus. So on joining the gym, I don't know about you, but for me, it was something that was really, really long thought. So, and it really helps me with keeping my mind cleared and stuff, keeping fit. I'm not there to lose any weight. Though I will not mind if I shed a bit of weight, but I'm not there to lose any weight. I'm just there to keep fit and yeah, be active in my life, not live passively. So I just woke up, took a shower, and took breakfast. I already took breakfast, guys. So for today, it's a bit relaxed because the only thing I have to do is show up at the salon, and my appointment is at 9:30, and she told me to arrive at exactly 9:30, and it's 9:06. So I have a bit time. It's around where I live, and so I'll not take a lot of time walking. I hope you enjoy my vlogs, guys. I really, really look forward to making them. Actually, I've realized that I make vlogs once a month, and I want it to be a little bit often. I want to be making vlogs a bit often because I realize it's also something that I get most views when I make vlogs, opposed to maybe sharing recipes. So yeah, that is what I'm thinking right now, that I should be making vlogs at least maybe once a week. At least every weekend I'd be making vlogs and maybe one recipe videos. What do you guys think? So let's see how today goes. I'm really looking forward to today too. I've come to really enjoy working out, because also after going to the salon I'll be going to the gym. I've really come to enjoy working out, and this is coming as a surprise because I was not a really sports person. So congratulations to adulthood. I've come to enjoy working out, especially lifting weights. I was very skeptical about lifting weights when I started working out. I used to be like, hey, I don't want to look like a man. I even told the gym guy, don't make me lift weights that will make me look like a man. And then he explained the biology part of it and I understood. So he said that there's no way, the only thing that makes men muscular is the hormones, testosterone. That one is the one that, so unless I have it, of which I know I don't, and I've been lifting weights and my body has not changed much, but I've become a bit what? Compacted. So any person that is for a long time, that was my fear about working out, that I will start being muscular and looking like a man. And I would tell myself, why would I want to look like a man? So that fear had no basis whatsoever. It's now around, I think this is the 6th or the 7th week since I started working out, because I started working out on March, and end of March. So March, a bit of April, and then May. It's not even 6 weeks. It's a long time, like around 12 weeks there. And I can say I don't know, I've not been on the scale of late, but I can feel like something is changing in my body. Something is really changing. So yeah, that is something new that I've not shared with my viewers, that I've enjoyed and I've come to really like doing it. Actually, and I used to have friends who used to work out, and they'll tell me, Ivy, let's go to the gym. And I'll just look at them like, how will I go to the gym? For me, I used to think that people are just torturing themselves. And I would look at them and, why are you doing this to yourself? And I will see their body changing and they look so pretty, confident, their clothes fit so well. And nothing like that. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo ilikuwa inafanya ati sasa mimi nitamani kujoin gym. I even had a friend who was like, I was living with her. So she was telling me, Ivy, I can pay for you your gym. And then we'll be going together. I just looked at her and I was like, no, I don't want to go to the gym. And she left me alone. So I know it will come as a surprise to her when she sees me that I've started working out. I also have another friend who goes to the gym. So when I shared this information with her, she was like, Ivy, your body is going to be tea. And I was like, yes, girl. And then she told me, and it will thank you. And it's true, my body is thanking me for what I do thrice a week. I go to the gym thrice. On Wednesday after work, Friday, and Saturday. And if I miss, the next week I'll go. I will pay for it. I'll make sure that I compensate. So yeah, that is one of my life updates that I've really enjoyed. You know, sometimes you don't like sharing the news early because you could give up on the way. But right now I know I cannot give up because I've already built the stamina. My mind is already set to going there, and it's not something that I force myself or someone forced it on me. So I really love that part of my life. Maybe one of these days I will share a vlog on my workout routines. so that in case somebody is thinking about going to the gym, they cannot think anymore, they can just go. So yeah, I've talked too much. Let's go to get my hair done. So as I was doing this hair, I was like, let me check so I can see how it's going down. And I checked, it suddenly hit me. This color is so strange. And at this point, I was questioning my entire life choices based on the color of braid that I chose. Like, what do you mean you wanted to do? It's almost pink. And as I was inside my house, it now hit me that I had made this particular decision. And I was second guessing myself. But one thing is for sure, the hairstyle will still meet the number of days that it's supposed to meet. We're not undoing this hair anytime soon. And you know what is the best thing? I'll not be looking at myself. It is the people that will be looking at me that will be finding it odd. As for me, it will not be my business. As long as my hair is done, that's it. So here I kept on yapping about about how I had spent my previous day that we had spent together with you, my viewers, people that support this channel all the time until this minute. Hey, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much for showing me love. It's nice experimenting life with you. It's nice showing life with you. So as I was having my later in the day snack of